Okay, and I'm Rec. So, hello everyone and welcome to this Airlink video. We're going to be going to Airport Terminal, no, not Airport Terminal, Stepford Airport Central.
15 for the
And we are going to be going high
Airlink
speed
service to
as
Airport
the
Terminal
802.
3. Calling at
No,
Stepford East, Stepford Airport Parkway, Stepford Airport Central, Airport Terminal 2, and
I think this
Airport
guy's
Terminal
thinking that
3.
was YouTube district.
This train has 5 coaches. Your attention, please. The 1349 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria has
And
been
of course
cancelled.
I spat.
This is due to
Jeez, this is
number of
probably
train crew
gonna be
unavailable.
What?
The train now approaching platform 12 terminates
When
here.
did he come here?
This train is the service from St. Helens Bridge.
Jeez. Luckily, Airlink doesn't have that many red signals.
Welcome on board. This is an Airlink service to Stepford Airport Central. The next station is Stepford Airport Central.
Hold on. I'm just gonna not pay attention to the speed limit because I want to get there as quickly as I can. Because this is an express train. And if you're thinking that I'm a bit of a trash driver for spadding, it's because that guy was really irritating me in the chat, and I do that a lot, so don't judge. Oh no, please don't say. Oh no. Please don't say there's going to be a red. I'm going to slow down just in case. Let me check. What route is he probably doing?
Stepford Connect service to Stepford Central has been cancelled.
Okay, I think he's doing the express route.
A member of
actually.
train crew being unavailable.
That means we're okay.
The train now approaching platform 5 does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge.
So, a few people did want to be on YouTube in the server, so that's why I'm keeping the chat open, but I think I might close it because, like, that child cheesy guy. Just don't think me bad, like, but mean. He's just a normal player. And you know what, I probably wouldn't even think of it either. Think like he's recording, but it's just, yeah, I just wanted to tell him that I really am, just so he doesn't get annoyed when I post this on YouTube. Okay, I'm lagging a bit. Jeez, I knew I should have gone in that 805 carriage. I knew I should have gone in that 332. Yeah, 332.
Platform 6 does not stop here. Back from the platform edge.
This is a train I do want to be next gen because it is a very nice train. And I have seen on one of my friend's games that he's done, it is like the base of a next gen one of these. So there's a 319, class 319 I think it is, on what line? Next gen? Well, nearly next gen. But yeah. Jesus, so laggy. Wait. I'm looking at my clock right now and I can't believe how long I've been recording for. Might not make it to the end of the video before I stop recording. Sorry to say. So if it gets too late, she's only got 4 minutes left to complete the video. Gotta be really quick, I think. I assume it is correct, the clock. Well, done it correctly.
The train now approaching Platform 3 does
I
not
don't
stop
care about
here.
these speed
Please
limits.
stand
I'm
back
going
from the platform
fast.
edge.
And that's that. I think that was just Ellesmere Junction. It does need a bit more cruising speed on this train. Yeah, you're probably a bit bored right now, but it's just, yeah, you get to see all of the stuff.
Platform 4 does not stop
I
here.
guess that's it.
Please stand
The
back from the
berries,
platform edge.
the berries of Beverly. That's just such a tongue teaser. What is it about the chat right now? I think this is I think that's East Beverly. We're going for East Beverly right now. Yep, I can see by that bit of lag. And I don't want to say thank you lag because that would just be like no. And I'm going to quickly close the chat for most of the vids now, which is just so annoying. Sometimes I don't want people like finding out my voice, but just don't judge because it's quite an embarrassing voice. Comment below if you think my voice is annoying or not annoying. Oh, also comment nice comments, or maybe comment tips about how to make my videos better or what games I should do. Because yeah, I think that'd be quite fun. I don't care about the speed limit through Morgantown.
Does not stop
I
here.
actually do not
Please
care
stand back
because
from the
I want to be on
platform edge.
time. Just want to be on time. Yeah, I don't think I'm on time. 2 minutes to do the video. That is really dodgy. Alright. I'm at Airport Central in barely any time. Alright, now I am kind of quite making up my time. Okay, second carriage is just bumping. If I spat now, then I'll just be like, oh my god. Slow down. Oh jeez, it is a red. Jeez, and now I'm not gonna be able to finish a video, I don't think. Just to say, thanks for watching the video, like and subscribe now. Might stay on the video for a bit longer, we'll just have to see. But as soon as the time clicks over, then I'm just gonna have to end the video. It's a yellow light.
This train is now approaching Stepford Airport Central. This train terminates
I've got to end
here.
up
All change,
now.
please.
I'm gonna stop at Stepford Central. But yeah, I've got to stop the recording now.
Train now approaching platform 5.
So thanks for watching the
Terminates
video. Like, comment,
This train is the service
comment, and
from
subscribe,
Stepford
and we'll
Central.
see you next time. And goodbye.